So this Risk On conference, the Risk On 360 Global Success Conference, will be the biggest we've ever done. It'll be the best, the biggest, the most people. It's in a brand new venue, an amazing room, an amazing group of people that have already confirmed, and we have more tickets sold this year than we have in all the previous years already. It's an amazing opportunity, right, to come and network. I know the people that were there last year. I was pretty blown away by the networking opportunities. I have never experienced in my travel so many people that I didn't know was at the conference and said, hey, I was at your conference, I saw this, I saw that, I saw Tucker, I saw RFK, I saw Jim Meyer. It was amazing, right? And so what I'd say to you is that this year is going to be better than ever. It's going to be more network availability. I estimate we're going to have a few thousand people. It should be a major event. We'll see you there.